Hi, I'm Lori, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a layered hyacinth arrangement. So first thing we want to do is add our water. I'm going to fill up our container here, about an inch from the top. Now we want to look at the sizes of our hyacinth here, and also what the blooming stages are too. We want some that are a little bit more open and some that are a little bit more closed. So now for our asymmetrical arrangement today, we want to start with the top side and we're going to be layering down. Also too, on the bottoms of your hyacinth, you may still have some of the bulb on here. You might have a little bit of dirt in there that we might want to kind of wash off. So we want to hold this over our bowl here, and we want to decide how much we want to cut. So this particular one, I'm just going to cut a little bit off, cutting that bulb part off. Okay, we're going to lay our first one in there, and he might fall to the side a little bit until we get a couple more in there. Now I'm going to go with one that's a little bit more open, holding it over our bowl there. Now we're going to continue on cutting, and again we're layering, so now we're coming shorter with the arrangement. Now we want to put in a few of our pieces of greenery here before we put in our last few hyacinths. So we're going to grab 2 or 3 pieces at a time, and we want to tuck them in between our hyacinths here. That helps with our layering too, and it'll bring the hyacinths more forward. I love the smell of hyacinths. They're just so fresh and springy. One of my favorite spring flowers. And now you have this beautiful fresh hyacinth arrangement. This is a very simple arrangement and so easy to make.